How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR, with another unboxing video. This is a pretty unique unboxing video because it's not really unboxing. It is showing a wire. This wire is from PlayStation themselves. It's a free wire, by the way. It's completely free as long as you own the PSVR. If you own the PSVR, you're gonna need this adapter so that you can connect this camera or the new PS4 camera. I've got both of them, but one's still in a package, so I thought I'd pull the old one out. So you're gonna have to use this camera on the PS5, or initially to use the whole PS5 PSVR on the PS5, you're gonna need this adapter, which you can claim from Sony by using the serial code from the back of your PSVR box or processor unit. You need to have the serial key from there at the back, and you need to put it on the website, which I will put in the description below, and you will get this wire. To be honest with you, for a free thing, this wire is pretty heavy duty, man. I'm actually pretty, you know, it's like quality stuff. Look at it, it's actually USB 3.0 as well, and I'm pretty like, you know, I'm surprised that Sony is giving away some free stuff like that. So this is the adapter itself. It's got the PlayStation logo on there, if you can see that. It's also got a little label telling you that it needs to go in the PS5's it says SS there, so 3.0 USB port, and as you can see, it's blue, which means it's USB 3.0. And to be honest with you, you know, this I'm gonna be a bit crying right now because I've got this and I haven't even got a PS5 yet. So, you know, it's a start. It's a start, guys. We're getting somewhere. Well, yeah, this is where the PS4's camera is gonna go. So as you can see, I have a PS4 camera, and all I'm gonna do is simply get this hideous looking connector right here. I don't understand why Sony always make their own connectors, their own memory cards, right? But I am pretty proud of the PS5 that them guys have finally decided to go back in the basically human world and make the normal USBs. And as you can see, the old PS4 camera connects into the adapter, and I'm guessing this connects into my imaginary PS5. Yeah, it's connected to my PS5. And also, along with the package, this package is what Sony sent me for free, once again. And you get this booklet, which comes in like 10,000 different languages. This is the booklet, PlayStation Camera Adapter, that's what it's called. And let me go to the page, let me find the English page, which I believe is going to be at the front. And here it is. Here's the English page, and basically, this is the instructions. That's all. Basically, as you can see, this is what we've done here. You plug the PS4 camera inside the PS5 adapter, and you put the PS5 adapter in the USB port of the PS5, and the rest of it, basically the VR and all that, you connect that to normally. And that's how you will get to play your VR on your PS5. Anyways, that's all from me. If you've got any questions below, feel free to put as many comments as you want. But to be honest with you, don't ask me about experiences with the PS5, because that's just going to hit me in the nerve, because I do not own a PS5 right now, but I own a PS5's component. But like I said, that's a surprise, man. As soon as PS5 comes back in stock, if the criminals that are grabbing them and you know, selling more for a higher price do not grab the PS5 first, hopefully I should be having a PS5 before January. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Anyways, thank you for I'm gonna say thank you for laughing there, but anyways, thank you for watching, and do not forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.